This is the Dacia Sandero MK2. If you need to find the MAF, MAP sensors just to check or replace them, they may not have both sensors depending on the engine. In my case, I have the 1.0 SCE, so this 1 liter 3-cylinder engine, and I don't have the MAF sensor. If I had the MAF sensor, it would be located here, just where airbox filter goes into the intake. These vehicles, they don't have, these engines, they don't have the MAF sensor, but the MAP will be also always located in the manifold. This is the MAP sensor for the 1.0 SCE engine. It's integrated into the manifold, so its working part goes inside the manifold and measures the pressure of the air there. So if you have issues, if you have the codes that point to MAF, MAP sensors, this is the only sensor you should check. Check the connector here. You may replace this sensor easily. This is a Torx bolt here and the connector, and that's all. It comes out easily. But in other engines you may also have the MAF, or you may have the MAF and MAP, depending on the engine and the model year.